Okay, as you walk in the front door, the street side door, you have your kitchen area. Nice overhead lighting. You have living room / dining room area, blinds on the windows, ceiling fans, split AC. Split ACs are in each of the rooms. Continue on into your kitchen. Nice cabinets, white appliances, microwave, dishwasher, stove oven, and refrigerator. Walk on in here, and here is your half bath for downstairs. Just a small regular bath, pedestal sink, toilet, mirror, light, and exhaust fan. Walk over here. This is your kind of your main entrance to the back. So what happens is you have a shared entryway here. The next door neighbors is there, and then you have your AC unit, and then you have one parking here, and then you have a parking in the garage. So this is kind of the main entrance here. Nice matching cabinets. Then we'll go into the garage. Standard garage, single car garage. You have a hot water heater with filter system on it. And the owner left this stuff for the tenants if they want to use it. Just an unfinished, unpainted garage. It's finished, it's not painted. Then let's go into the rest of the house. So that's the downstairs. So now let's head upstairs. Carpet on the steps. Carpets was just professionally cleaned. This is a look from up on the stairs into the living room kitchen area. And as we go up, to your right is the first bedroom. It's a good sized bedroom, and it has its own private bath. No light fixture in here. The light switch on the wall will turn on one of the plugs for a floor lamp. Does have a split AC system, blinds on the window. And then in here is your bathroom off of the guest bedroom. Have a stand-up tub in here. Good size. Double sinks, which is hard to find in a guest bedroom. And then in here is a large walk-in closet. And as you come out of here, go into the hallway where you have a large storage closet area. Very large. And then over here is your washer and dryer laundry room. Nice sinks, nice cabinets, nice appliances here for your washer and dryers. Exhaust fan. And this house does have a sprinkler system in all the rooms. And this is the primary bedroom. So this is the bedroom part here. Again, no overhead light, but a light switch on the wall will control one of the outlets. Have a split AC with remote. Sprinkler system in here. Blinds on the window. Let's go look at the closet. It's a large walk-in closet as well. See, this tell you which that goes to an outlet, so you can turn on the switch. Very large. Bigger than some bedrooms I've seen in Hawaii. So you see that is for the outlet. So it goes to that bottom plug on that outlet there. And this bottom plug here. Let's go into the primary bathroom. You got a double sink, medicine cabinet, mirror, towel racks, and then you have your private bathroom here. This is a stand-up shower walk-in. The other one was a tub shower combo. This is just a shower. exhaust fan, blinds on the window, frost on the window, and your toilet. That's it for this house. So it's a mixed community, meaning there's some of these buildings over here are businesses, nail places, hair designs. There's a dentist office down the street. There's a dog park right over there on the other side of that blue truck across the street that you need a fob to get into, and you'll get the fob. There's a pool down the street, down that way a little bit on the left-hand side. Nice pool. And that's where the HOA building is for any discussions or anything that we need to have with them. Used to be a really good Bobo shop over there. It's not there anymore. So it's a mixed-use community, meaning they can have a business and own a home above it, and normally the bottom is a business to run out. That's where I go to. My chiropractor actually is down the street, or my chiropractor is down the street. She bought a house in this area particularly just so she could live above it and then work right there, although she rents it out, I think. And that's it. Go back downstairs. So we need to do some touch-up cleaning on it. Other than that, it's in ready-to-go condition, and we can show it at any time that you like.